We're at Meco Corporation in Greeneville, Tennessee. Meco is a barbecue grill manufacturer. We have two main assembly lines that each line will manufacture 2,100 grills today. That equates to every 16 seconds a grill will come off the end of the line.
Coming to work here is like working with your family. It's having that connection with your fellow associates because you're with people who care about you and that you care about.
It's one of the things that we pride ourselves on, building a more family-oriented, engaged team so that we can continue to grow our company.
I'm a huge believer that you have to get outside of the building to learn more, to become better, to become more efficient. Because if you stay with your own ideas, you're not growing.
Having a partner like MEP, it allows us to pivot when we need to pivot.
My name is Dwayne Raper. My title is MEP Director. I work for the University of Tennessee Center for Industrial Services, part of the MEP National Network.
I think the MEP does a really good job of staying in touch with what's going on in the world. What could be the next thing that affects us?
Our center's helped Meco over the years work on things like process improvement, challenges with materials. We were able to go to the university and do some materials research. Most recently, it's been focused on development of new components for their product that helps them reduce cost.
It's important for us to engage with students at the university because they have new innovative ideas that we haven't heard of yet. It's our hope that we could bring those students back to work for us someday.
There's a strong network in Tennessee to connect community colleges and four-year universities to build a workforce supply chain.
We had some 8th graders in last week, and we talk about all the opportunities that they have in Greene County that they didn't even realize.
For us, being able to bring people in, walk them through a training program, and show them a path to be able to provide for their family is truly phenomenal.
Workforce development within a company is more than just training, it's more than just onboarding or recruiting. You have to give an employee a vision for a career path.
We're always looking to give anyone who's looking for a job. We have women across every facet of our manufacturing, and they moved up through the company just like anybody would want to.
It's important to have a diverse workforce because you have different ideas and ways of solving problems. You learn to work together as a team, and I think as you work together as this team, you can accomplish anything. It's not only the relationship within the building, they're a part of something bigger that's a part of the community and giving back.